So I take it you don't like my socks. That's my socks! I said you've disarmed me. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. How do you make this light less bright? There was a time when people were as ugly as me. Look at that one hair. That is my skin that's shining that bright. It's not doing it anymore. What the hell? My skin. Come here. Brother! Bro, give me my sock. Motherfucker. Give me my sock. Ow. Ow. Oh, fuck. Ow. Fucking Naruto, man. Why am I looking at this? Yo, I am the super mega nose picker. Why am I watching this? This good as mac and cheese over. Damn. Put some of this. Some of this. What is it? Damn. Yeah. This is for cheese. This is for cheese. Oh my god. This cat's jealous because how ugly I am. Shit me. Mew. Fuck your sock. I'm gonna take my sock right from you. Ow, I just want my sock. Gosh. Oh. What an aggressive ass bitch, man. Ow! What? What? Fuck yeah, look at that foot. I'm gonna take this sock then. This is what happens when I'm not playing the game. Pissing off the cat. Ah! Oh, I got your foot again. Cat in a foot. Cat in a foot. This is why she hates socks, is because she can't wear a sock. Does it really say Gears of War right there? Fuck yeah, it does. Gears of War. I don't know. Hmm. How about? Ow! Fuck you, man. Tenzu Bangagada. Don't get my good side. I'm so fucking ugly. I'm not even watching the Naruto episode. Ow! Fuck! This fucking hurts. Why can't it be like calm? This is you being calm. It's like you. You need to taste our blood. Give me your blood. That's probably what she sounds like. Her actual voice, if she was a human, is like, give me your blood. Give me your blood. Ow. Ow, what? Listen. Listen. What are you? She fucking claw this shit out of me, man. Sorry, the fucking step on your butt. Step on your butt. Stop. Oh my gosh!